Hey guys, Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoyed this next video with some more do-it-yourself, low-voltage landscape lighting tips, and be sure to check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca for more great resources. So I want to talk to you guys today about why we choose what lights we use. Now we have the ability to go choose from all kinds of different manufacturers, and that's a question I get asked a lot is, well, who do you guys use for lighting? And there's several different companies, and there's probably hundreds we could pick from, and we've probably tried lights from several dozen of them, and we've just kind of sourced out and came up with the best and most durable ones that we like. And it just so happens that FX Luminaire has some of the most durable lighting fixtures that are out there, and that's why we choose them a lot of the time. That being said, we use different lighting fixtures and different products from companies like Kichler and Vista Professional Outdoor Lighting and many others, but I want to talk to you about the staples, and the one that we recommend most is probably our uplight from FX Luminaire, the RS LED uplight. And basically what you're going to find in that light is a really quality and really durable fixture. And that's where you can go online and you can order one of our try it before you buy it lights, so that you can really feel the difference and see the difference in these lights. But the reason I like this is it's a nice simple design in a nice black finish. We can get them in any finish. It comes standard with a 20 watt equivalent or 4 watt LED bulb. So this is an LED light. But if you need something brighter, we can swap that bulb out and put something brighter. It also comes with a very solid and durable 6-inch ground stake. So every light has that. It's that 2700 Kelvin temperature, color temperature, that warm white that you're used to seeing. So just because it's LED, it's not that bright white that sometimes people think. It's just that nice soft warm yellow. But that's why we like this light. It's one of the most durable lights on the market, and we know this is going to last 10, 15, 20, 25 years. And it's easily one of the best values out there for what you get. So go and try it before you buy it light, and you can really feel for yourself the quality of this light. Hey guys, Cal from the Lighting Doctor here. I hope you guys enjoyed that video and got some great do-it-yourself landscape lighting tips. Please be sure to go to our website at lightingdoctor.ca and get your free landscape lighting consultation, where we walk you through how to best light your property, as well as go check out our try it before you buy it landscape light, where you can now go and test out one of our premium quality uplights that comes with a King Innovation Instalight, that you can basically now go and operate this light with a simple battery pack and go and see how it's going to look on your property. Keep it for 14 days, try it out, play with it. If you don't love it, send it back to us and get a full refund. If you do love it, you keep the light at a discounted rate, and you just buy what you need for the rest of your project. So thanks again for watching. Please be sure to leave us a comment on YouTube or on Facebook, and go and check out our website at lightingdoctor.ca for more great resources.